All right, Mopar fans, here you go. And this one is a beauty. Check this out. 2023 Dodge Challenger Shakedown Special Edition car. 921 miles on the odometer at the moment. Clean Carfax. Actual miles, yes, that's right, under 1,000 miles, 921. What better color? Destroyer gray. The Alcantara Napa seats. They're buckets, of course, with the Scat Pack logo embroidered on them, because guess what? This one has the Scat Pack RT package. Some of the items in that package: ventilated seats, heated seats and steering wheel, premium stitching. Let's take a look at this front fascia. Now, I will go through some of the highlights on this car, but if you want to see exactly how it's equipped, there is a picture or a copy of the window sticker in with all of our still pictures, so you'll be able to check that out. I'll tell you where in just a bit. All right, you can see hood pins have not been installed. Those are with the car. They're in the glove box. They just haven't been installed. You can see that flat black and red highlighted stripe. Of course, the shaker hood. That is part of that Shakedown Special Edition package. Front fascia looks great, chin spoiler. There's nothing to hide on this one. This car is like it rolled off the Dodge dealership's showroom floor. It's a beauty. All right, now the still pictures. Let me tell you where to get to those real quick. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct wheels, Pirelli tires, original tires, of course. This one does have the Brembo brakes all the way around, 6-piston caliper ones up front. 392 Hemi. Yes, it has the Hemi. And that is paired up with an 8-speed Torque Flight auto stick, automatic transmission. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. I have not noticed any nicks, dings, or scratches on this thing. You can see up and down the passenger side, absolutely beautiful. Note the side glass. The windows have been tinted on the side and the rear, so know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have. Coming around to the rear, get a good look at the rear of the car. I have not noticed any modifications on this either. Of course, dual exhaust, catalytic converters intact, stock exhaust. Some of the badging on it, of course, with the Shakedown package, and there is the placard underneath the hood that we're going to check out in just a little bit, because we're going to start this up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. Jason's going to take it for a quick drive, show you how it goes down the road. I think we all know how it's going to go down the road like a brand new car. All right, some of the other packages / options on this car. It does have the Dynamics package, which would be your adaptive dampening suspension, Brembo brakes like we mentioned earlier with 6-piston calipers up front. Of course, this does have the high performance suspension, line lock, active exhaust, launch control, all the goodies you might say. And again, check out the window sticker for the options, because there is a lot more to this car than I'll be able to ever hit upon. Technology group. That'd be the active headlamp control, rain sensing wipers, to name a few. Carbon suede insert package. I've already mentioned the Shakedown Special Edition package. Uconnect. And again, check out the window sticker. In the pictures, you're also going to see all the manuals that'll come with it, that package with the hood pins in it. Technician noted, drives like a new car, brakes are 100%. If you like Mopars, no matter what year, what vintage, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right up our showroom floor. Of course, your modern amenities with power windows, power locks, power mirrors, memory seating, power seat over here on the driver's side. Now, the one thing I will tell you, this is one of those kind of colors, when the light hits or I get too close with the camera, it's going to wash it out. It is not that light gray. If I step back, there's what the interior looks like. It's a nice dark charcoal or black. You're also going to have the nap of the suede that can kind of make it look different colors depending on which way that nap is going. And again, the interior's like new. There's no surprises on the interior. It's just the lighting kind of changes the pictures a little bit in the video sometimes. Of course, all the steering wheel controls. You'd have your tap shift, if you will, on the steering wheel. Let's go ahead and fire this up. I did notice the key fob could use a battery. I guess if there's one thing that I could think of it needed, it's going to tell you that the key fob battery is low. We're going to see that in a second. There's your exact miles down below, 921. Maybe it's not going to warn me. There it is, key fob battery low. And that does go away, just a little warning, making you aware that you need to change that battery. Of course, stereo system all working as it should. Here's your fun controls, the launch control, drive modes, dual climate control. Of course, that 8-speed automatic. Red stitching on the dash, as you can see. Boy, this car sounds good. Let me slip around to the back. That honk because I have the keys in my pocket. Take a listen. And of course, back here you have your rear parking assist. You have your backup camera. Again, there's so many options on this car that kind of your lane departure warning is on there also. Defrost on the rear view mirrors. Check out the window sticker. This thing is equipped nice. Hey, I did get it one-handed. There's that Challenger, last call. Placard underneath the hood, and here it is. That shaker system. There's nothing cooler than a muscle car with a hole in its hood. I don't care what you say. 392 cubic inches. What, 6.4 liter? Nice and clean and tidy like it's new. Imagine that. Once again, still pictures, that window sticker. UniqueClassicCars.com. Number to call, 507-386-1726. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a fast, fun, modern car, a 2023 Dodge Challenger Shakedown. This one, a very powerful runner. Sounds great, looks great. Got that kind of a dark gunmetal gray outside. Black inside with red stitching. This is an automatic if you want it to be, or you can use the paddle shifters, or you can bump shift it right here back and forth. So fun. Flick of your finger, you get to play with that power. Well, of course your foot as well, but you just put down. Very fun car to drive, very refined, very easy to drive. Even simple things like a great sounding stereo. We have needles for tachometer and speedometer, as well as the digital readout in the middle, giving us our fuel gauge, temperature, and speedometer currently. This car, less than 1,000 miles. Very, very much like a brand new performance Challenger. Ventilated, bucket seats, all the steering wheel controls you could look for. A very nice thick steering wheel with a little bit of groove right there where you want it. Shaker style hood, of course. Very smooth all around. Smooth braking, smooth acceleration, great power steering. When you think about these cars, they're modern muscle cars. You're like, do they corner? This one flat. This one corners very well. And of course, get on the throttle and have some fun. Play with the gears. Lots of fun to drive. Check out all the pictures of this 2023 Challenger at uniqueclassiccars.com.